guys, I wanted to hop on here. I just left the Dollar Tree and I just kind of wanted to share with you guys what I picked up. It's gonna be quick, so let's get started. I haven't been to the Dollar Tree in over probably a month, and my makeup is it's so hot out here, you guys. I haven't been to the Dollar Tree in over a month, and everything seemed like it was like new. They had a ton of new stuff. They have still some of the stuff from Memorial Day. Okay, so nothing's in order, so I'm just gonna go with what I have in here. So they had a ton of like Father's Day stuff. This is just a little can that I got that the kids are gonna give to Dad. It says Dad saves the day again. Cheers to my hero Dad. And it's just, like I said, a little piggy bank. So I thought that was cute that the kids could give Daddy. And then they had these two count ice packs. Super cute, you know, especially us gonna be, you know, summertime is here and we're probably gonna be traveling more to like parks and the zoo and stuff. And I figured, hey, why not? Let's pick up a couple of more of these. And then in the makeup section, they had tons of stuff. I have more, but I found this LA Colors liquid eyeshadow. And this one is in the color Wink, and it's like a pinky color. And I got this one as well. This one's in a more of a purple color, and this one's called Regal. Okay, and then y'all guys know when I do my videos, I always need something to fan my makeup, my setting spray. So I picked this up. Thought it was super cute. My daughter has one, but I figured I need to stop using hers and get my own. Okay, picked that up. And then I picked up some paint brushes because I always am doing a project. I actually have a couple of projects I need to get on because I want it done before, oh gosh, this week is the end of this until summertime. So I don't know if I'm gonna get them done, but I'm definitely going to video them and post them up. So keep a lookout for my DIY projects. And I picked up, these were super cute. They're little pet rock paint sets. And I got this one, which is the ladybug. And then I got two turtles. So my kids can, oh my goodness, my phone is about to die. So let me be quick. So I got two of the turtles for my daughter and my son. And then that is for that bag. And I have one more bag. Let's see. So I picked up two of these white, just plain bags for my son's teacher and his bus driver because I like to give them little gifts. And then I did pick up these super cute little bags for Father's Day. I picked up one for my husband, for the kids to put a little goodies in there for Daddy. And then two for the grandpas for Father's Day. And then we're probably gonna give them some stuff. I got two frames for the my dad and my in-law, my father-in-law. And I figure we could put like a really cute picture in here for them. And I got some really cute Father's Day cards for Dad and grandpas. I got 3 of those. And then I picked up these super cute, I don't know why I said super cute. Anyways, they're these Garnier whole blend single-use rinse out care creams. And this one right here is the Legendary Olive, the green one, and it's to replenish, moisturize, to bring replenishes moisture to dry hair. And then I picked up this one, and this one is the Honey Treasures, and this one's supposed to repair and mend dry, damaged hair. Has like honey in it. And then I picked up 2 little socks because my daughter is out of she's grown out of most of her little baby's infant socks. And then I picked up this Max Factor lip stain. I'm excited because my other lip stain from, I don't know the brand, I'm already out of it, so I needed to get a new one. So they had a purple, and then they had this one, and this one's more like a natural lippy. So I picked that one up. And then the last two things I got were these little splash rings. I got, I'm not sure if that's Nemo and Dory or Dory and Nemo. I don't know. It kind of resembles like the fishies from, you know. Okay, that's it, you guys. Like I said, I just wanted to hop on here and share that with you. I hope everyone is having a great week so far, knowing the week just started. But that's it. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching. Bye.